Understanding Realism in Art, a Beginner's Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an exciting topic in art history, realism in art. Whether you're an art enthusiast or a language learner, this video will help you understand what realism in art truly means and its significance. Let's dive into the world of art and language. Realism in art is a movement that began in the mid-19th century. It's characterized by a focus on depicting everyday life as it truly is, without idealization or exaggeration. Artists in this movement aim to represent ordinary people and everyday situations in a truthful and natural manner. Unlike the preceding Romanticism, which emphasized emotion and imagination, realism was about accurate and unembellished representation. The realism movement emerged in France as a reaction against the dramatic and emotional style of Romanticism. It was a time of significant social and political change, marked by the Industrial Revolution and the 1848 revolutions in Europe. Realist artists sought to capture the realities of the world around them, often focusing on the harsh aspects of life in the industrial age, such as poverty and social injustice. Realist art is known for several key features. Attention to detail. Realist artists meticulously depicted the details of everyday life. Use of natural colors. They often used a palette of earthy, natural tones. Focus on ordinary subjects. Realist paintings often feature common people, work scenes, and domestic settings. Realistic portrayals. There was an emphasis on capturing subjects as they appear in real life, without idealization. Some notable realist artists include Gustave Courbet, known for his unidealized depictions of rural life. Edward Manet, his works bridged realism and impressionism. Jean-François Millet, famous for paintings of peasant farmers. Realism had a profound impact on art. It challenged traditional art forms and conventions and paved the way for later movements like Impressionism and Modernism. Realism also played a role in social and political discourse, as it brought attention to the lives of the working class and societal issues. I hope this video has been informative and enjoyable for you. Realism in art is not just a style. It's a window into the history, culture, and social dynamics of the past. Understanding this art movement can enrich your appreciation of art and history. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.